Hi, Nak! Happy birthday! Matagal na tayo hindi nagkikita. Ha? Ingat ka lagi dyan, anak. Sana laging maano ang buhay mo dyan. At saka huwag kang makakalimot. Tumawag ka lagi sa Panginoon. Ha? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Dalangin ko lang na magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday at malakas na kalusugan, no? Bawat oras, bawat araw na dumarating sa ating buhay, i-enjoy mo na lang yan. Dahil bukas, hindi natin alam kung magigising pa tayo, di ba? Kaya enjoy life lang, no? Huwag pa stress. Kailangan always be happy. Happy birthday and more blessings to come. God bless and I love you. This is Mommy Marie and bye-bye.
Hey Mamu, I hope you have a good health for the future and I hope your wishes come true. Thank you sa lahat. Sa dati, yung bata pa ako, palagi mo kinukuha yung anong gusto ko at just thank you lang. Yun lang. Thank you. Happy birthday. And I love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Mamu. Happy 60th birthday.
16?
60th birthday. Siyempre, di ako doon, mahal yung ticket doon sa Philippines. Pero, happy birthday. Thank you for all the, thank you for being in my birthday when I was in the Philippines. Bye. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mamu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mamu. We love you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Mamu.
Happy birthday, man.
Say happy birthday, Mamu.
Happy
Happy birthday, Mamu. Happy birthday, Mamu. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mamu. Bye.